The natural sweetness and beautiful color of carrots make them the star ingredient in this wonderful carrot cake recipe. It's perfectly moist and delicious, and topped with the most heavenly cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, add flour, soda, baking powder, a bit of salt and cinnamon, and mix everything well. In a separate dish, add some sour cream, cooking oil, applesauce, eggs room temperature, orange zest, vanilla essence, and sugar mixed with powdered sugar. And mix everything well. And combine liquid ingredients with the dry ones, and whisk all together on a high speed with stand mixer. Add to the dough chopped walnuts and grated carrot. Mix everything well and bake for about 40 minutes. When the biscuit is ready, let it cool down after baking. Cut it in 3 halves and remove the crust on the edges. You will need it later for decoration. In a large bowl, add butter and cream cheese room temperature, also vanilla essence, orange zest and powdered sugar, and mix everything very well in stand mixer. Cream cheese frosting is ready. And assemble the cake in the following way. Decorate the edges of the cake with crumbs from the dough that we saved earlier. And on the top, decorate the cake the way you like it. Refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. With its outstanding spice flavor, super moist crumb, and velvety cream cheese frosting, this is truly the best carrot cake. Enjoy! Bon appetit!